This is Chester Estate, 64 hectares of prime agricultural land. A mixed farming system combining crop cultivation, grazing country, adjusted cattle in fattening paddocks and aquaculture. The property includes 5 to 6 acres of Japanese yuzu trees, 4 large dams, a gravel and sand quarry, 20,000 basil plants, 3 fattening paddocks, plus a 200 megalitre water licence. And a basic 3-bedroom home with 2 sheds and a large cool store. The earthworks and approvals for 4 red claw ponds have been completed but are yet to be established and operated. This place is located in Wondecla, 1.5 hours from Cairns. Look, it's got so much potential. Wolf Real Estate, where the service is excellent and the coffee exceptional.